Hey everyone, well, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play the Slickback challenge music that you see on the videos where they're floating along. Dun, 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 dun. There you go, there's the hand version. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, you can't tell. See, I can somehow hover over the, never mind. Okay, two things before we get into how to play this. That is that, one, the original music is, what they're playing is a sample in those videos, and the original music is by Crystal Waters, and the song is called Gypsy Women. So you should check out the original track. The other thing is, go check out Charles Cornell's amazing breakdown of this song on the piano, because he talks about ear training, he goes into a theory analysis, and he talks about how it's played for Gypsy Woman, which would be here. Oh, try again, Aaron. So he's playing an A here, A minor, whereas we're going to be playing it up a half step. So let's get into it. I've gone back and forth what to call this, the key of this song. I think I'm going to have to stick with E flat minor. Yep, we're doing it. We're going to say E flat minor. Part of me wants to say D sharp minor. Ooh, D sharp minor? Okay, we'll do D sharp minor. Okay, so D sharp minor. We're going to start with A sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and F. Then we go up to B, A sharp, B, D sharp, and F sharp. And play that 3 times. Da, da, da. Then we're going to move our hands up. So before we do it, let's talk about fingering. This is a 7th, and it makes sense to use just my outside fingers, pinky and thumb, to play these black notes right here. And then as I move over, my pinky needs to drop down to the white note here, and my hand needs to stay pushed into the piano. If I pull it out, I'm going to end up cranking my hand over, okay? So, I like to talk about a lot of mechanics. There's plenty of tutorial videos out there, but a lot of them don't talk about fingering and really how to actually accomplish playing the piece. So I'm going to be talking about that stuff as well. So we're here, B, and keep that hand in the piano, okay? Same thing here. You have options here. I like to play 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 4 feels very comfortable. I wouldn't play this, even though you can, because I'm going to be moving up. So I kind of like to keep my hand open and closer to where I'm going to be moving. So I move here, and you see now my hand pulls back, and I'm playing a 5th, either with my hand's kind of big, and I'm used to playing octaves, so you can play 5 and 2, or you can play 5 and 1. And then my right hand, bigger chords mean I'm going to spread out that fingering a little bit, or I have less options. So I've got F, we said we're going to say sharp, so F, G sharp, C, and D sharp, even though it's probably better to call that an A flat and E flat, because this is like an F minor 7 chord. I'm just going to stick with sharps though, okay, just to make it less confusing. And what we're going to do is take this 5th down a half step, and then the 5th here is the identical notes. We're going to take it down a half step as well. It's the same rhythm we played at the beginning. Let's listen to that rhythm. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. So after this, we're going to come up to these 2 notes right here. And I could play this one with either hand. I like to take it in my right hand. So I'm going to move down quickly to here. So we have D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and F. A D sharp minor 9 chord. So same thing twice with the same rhythm we've been using for the whole piece, and that's half of it. So let's go through all that again. We have this chord. What are we going to call that? A sharp minor 7. I'm not sure what to call that, but we're going to figure it out real quick. Oh, it's B major 7. That didn't take long. So A sharp minor 7, B major 7, then up to F minor 7, and then down to, thinking, E major 7. All right, here we go. Less interruptions this time. Now we're going to come back down and we're going to play our D sharp minor 9 chord like this or like this. Okay, notice the loose wrist and notice how deep I am into the keys, because a lot of piano students are trying to do this kind of stuff to get to the black notes, and you keep your hand relaxed and up here. Now, the next part is the same at the beginning. The first 2 chords are the same. Yeah. Oh, hold on. There it is. Dun, 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 dun. And then we're going to change. We're going to keep these 2 notes here. So we have da, 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 da. These 2 notes stay. So does the B. And we're just adding, so 3 notes stay. And then we're adding the G sharp. And my left hand's going down to G sharp as well. So we have 2 of those. That was easy. For those of you who want to know, that's a G sharp minor 7 chord. And then I'm going to bring my left hand up to C sharp, and my right hand's top 2 notes are coming down a half step. So I'm using the same fingers, 1, 2, 3, and 5 that I did for this chord up here. I don't think it works as well as the 4, but you can try to use your 4th finger. And then I'm definitely going to use 1, 2, 3, 5 here. It doesn't make sense to do this. That just puts my hand in a weird position. 1, 2, 3, 5. And that's where I get my 1, 2, 3. What is this? Oh, I haven't sat down and figured out. It's got a flat 9 in it, I think. Oh yeah, it's definitely got a flat 9. So it's like a dominant 7 flat 9. Yeah, this is a C sharp dominant 7 flat 9. Nice. Would you call it a C sharp flat 9? See, this is where Charles knows way more about jazz analysis than I do. But regardless, we have this chord right here. It's a dominant 7 with a flat 9 in it. And if it wasn't a flat 9, that's what it would sound like. Okay, I like this better. So here we are. And then we go back to this chord that we ended with last time and play the same thing. So let's slowly go through the whole thing. All right? Up here. 5th moves down. And now down here. Play it twice. Now redo the same thing again. Oops, sorry. There we go. These 3 stay, and I add a G sharp in both hands. This moves down a half step, and then back to this last chord. Then we repeat. Yeah. There we go. Okay, some last little thoughts and tips to help you with this is as I'm going through here, I use 2 and 4 here so that I can use either here. Oh my goodness, I said I wouldn't do that. Now I'm using it. So sometimes I switch. So, okay, I was wrong. Oh yeah, I do that too. Oh, that's why I said that. All right, so here, you can use these fingers. You got options, and I want you to use what works for your hand, okay? Then we're gonna move up. This is, I play this the same every time though. Okay, that's fine. That's 5th moving down that I've mentioned. Okay, and then I'm spotting these 2 notes right here, and this note's gonna be used, but my hand's actually moving down into it. And it's either gonna be here or here, and I would pick one and keep practicing it that way. Either you're taking the A sharp in the left hand or A sharp in the right hand. Okay, and then when you repeat, you keep these same notes. So we were playing. And if you're already using 2 and 4, you're ready to play the next part. You just need to switch down to this 7th right here. So look at what your hand needs to do. You need to go from here to here. Or if you were doing this, then it just needs to slide the thumb down. So it kind of depends on where you were at. Okay, so then the second part, right here, I'm just switching my 2nd finger. These fingers, I said, don't do that, are looking better and better as we go. Hilarious. And you're gonna put your thumb up here on G sharp, and this just needs to slip down to G sharp as well. I'm ready to play my C sharp, and these are ready to come down a half step. And I'm really close to to where I need to be for this chord. I'm so close. So play this chord right here, and look at the notes you have to play. This is part of it, and then we need to play these 4 notes right here, and then move your hand to there. Make these really snappy right here. Bum bum bop bop bop. So la la da da da, like that. The rhythm, by the way, again, Charles Cornell, go check him out. It's because of him that I know this. So quickly, quarter, eighth, and then quarter, dotted eighth, and then dotted eighth, dotted eighth, dotted eighth, like that. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, that's good. Please let me know what you think in the comments. It's a little all over the place, but hopefully you've got it. I have one bonus thing if you stuck around this long, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel. And that is what this sounds like on the organ. So if I'm playing on an organ, I'm going to play this other manual up here. Let's do another organ. Let's do this one. Oh, it's better. Oh yeah, that's much better. So you can see that if you can get an organ, maybe pitch it down a little bit, you're going to get a lot closer to the sound from the video. Let's see, and then since it's here on a different manual, I need to switch to here. There we go. And then we would come down to here, right? And then this would go here. There we go. So that's what it sounds like with the organ sound. All right. Thanks for checking out the video again. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. All right. Bye.